Okay, what we're going to do is show you a homemade mental enrichment activity. All right, we've got some treats on one end, as you can see, and we're just getting those treats on the other end of the towel. Use an old towel, of course. Okay, then what you're going to do is you're going to roll up each end to halfway. So just roll. You can put more treats than this if you like. We're just being a bit thrifty today. So we're going to roll it up to halfway, and then we're going to roll the other end to halfway. I've got a puppy there very excited to have a go. All right, and then we're going to flip it over. Then we're going to fold it in half. And now we're going to reach into those 4 sausage shapes and pull out the corner. That's 3. And here comes the last one, we hope. Good work. Now we're going to join together the opposite ones like that. So 2 and 2, and we're going to gently pull, and we end up with a very cute shape that we reckon looks like a chicken with 4 legs. And we're going to bring it over here for Daisy. And we're going to tell Daisy, okay.
Okay.
And Daisy's now going to use her little thinking mind to work out how to get into that smell in the towel, because that's good treats in there.